How to fix Safari cannot open the page because the server cannot be found on iPhone issue. To solve this issue, first of all, launch your settings on your device. Once you are on your settings, scroll down a little bit. There you will see Safari options. Simply tap on it. From here again, scroll down. There you will see Clear History and Website Data option. Go through it and select Clear History. Once you do this, check if your problem is solved or not. If your problem is still there, then go back to the settings homepage again and hit on General. From here, scroll down to the last. There you see Transfer or Reset iPhone. Simply tap on it and do reset your all settings. Once you reset all of your settings, your issue on Safari will be solved. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our